Another very beautiful morning here in Jamaica. Check out this beautiful sunrise right behind us. And Anthony, good morning.
Good morning. Yes, man. They had man go and water some plants, for the time it's very dry, so you have to give them some water and then the bird them can come and get water too.
Nice.
That's what I'm doing right now in the morning. Yeah, man. See the sun is coming up. Very beautiful. Yes, man.
Very nice.
Peace and love.
Morning, Louis.
Good morning.
You got eaten alive yesterday, huh? Show us your leg. Oh no. Look
They
at
got
this,
me
guys.
good.
They love your
My
British
blood must be tasty. What can I say? Feeding the environment.
Yes, giving back to nature.
Yeah, I'm part of the ecosystem now.
Yeah, and we just woke up in our beautiful, beautiful tents right over here. Every time I'm in Jamaica, I go to bed when it gets dark and I wake up when the sun is coming up. Really in tune with nature always here in Jamaica. Every morning Anthony is watering all his plants.
Yes, man.
What are those though?
These are beans.
Beans?
Yes, red beans. But soon them will start to bear. So I have to always give them water for now it's dry season. So if you give them water, let them bear. That is what I like. For I like my beans. Beans is very good for the body. Keep you healthy.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Anthony and me, we thought today we're gonna film a little yard tour for you guys.
Yes, man. So this is a plant what we use and make tea. So it's very smelly and very nice. It's a mint, but it's a different type of mint. So
What them call it? Black mint?
No, this is not a black mint. The black mint is the one that run on the ground. This is just a regular mint. Yes.
Regular mint.
Yes. Nice to cook with too. I use it and cook with too.
As you guys know already, this is Anthony's campsite. Soon he's probably gonna have another tent so he can host even more people.
Yes. And hope you can come and check this place out. It's very beautiful, very nice, and very quiet and everything. Yeah, man.
And now we're gonna show you guys all the little plants and fruits and vegetables that Anthony is growing here on his yard. So it's gonna be a very detailed tour about all the stuff that is growing here.
This one is a lime tree. We get lemon from, we call it lime, but it's young, so it's growing up. It take a while before it reach bearing stage. So this is one, and this one is a lemon. We call it grapefruit. So it's a very big lemon one, but it take a while before it, yes, Jenna, before it reach perfection to bear. Yeah, man. This is a coconut tree, but it's a young one. So it take a while to reach bearing stage. Yeah, man. And come around same way. And just as what I'm telling you about, we call it, some people call it tea basil and someone call it basil. But this is very nice to eat with crackers or toast bread. And actually when we want them to catch back, we just pick off these and chow them off like this. And when the rainy season starts, you see the young one come up. And this is young papaya. Yes, this is very good for your hair. If you blend it up with aloe vera and you use it in your hair, it strengthens your hair root and make your hair is very strong and clean and pretty. Yeah, man. This one is Julie mango. So what we did sometime in the mango season like May, June, We get mango from it, but most time I make tea from the leaf. But mango leaf tea is very healthy and very good for you.
Oh, I would like to try that one.
Yes, and actually I mix it with the soursop leaf sometimes. For soursop leaf, it's good for cancer cell and it's good for your skin and it's good to kill cancer from grow up into your system. For remember, we eating crappy food sometimes. Not me, but I eat healthy. But some people don't know the herb, what is the medicine to heal the nation. So my grandmother always tell me that soursop leaf is very good. So I always make soursop leaf tea. And when it bears soursop, I squeeze it and get the milk from it and make nice juice and keep myself very healthy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, these are aki. Them are very young now, but maybe like further down in the month, them will start to open when the wind start to blow, and then we can get aki to eat. For aki is very nice. Nice when you cook it with aki and saltfish, or you do it just natural with just pepper and onions. Very nice. Yes, man. And these are young banana. These are, we call them sugar banana, as some people call it bumpy banana, but this one is very nice. So I always have to plant my food in my garden if you can have it for harvest time. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, these are beans. Beans are keep you healthy, but the problem is them don't start to bear as yet, but soon them will start to bear. So that's why you see them running around and take up the papaya trees, and I just let it take it over. But
Yeah,
I
man, you
love
have lots
beans.
of papaya trees in here, right?
Yes, man, I have a lot of them, but these papaya tree turn old boy. So instead I cut them down, I let them stay. So next year them get taller, for them are very young. Yes. These are the beans what we use and turn what they call red peas, but we call it beans, red beans. So when it bear, we pick them out and we dry them and we have them as storage. So whatever time we want to cook ital stew or rice and peas or whatever you want to cook with beans, we just use it. And this is watermelon. This one is a watermelon. Very young one just start to run, so maybe it will soon start to bear. Yeah, man. And I show you the same red bean, but I show you the one I'm what bearing right now. You can see it. You can see them right here now. Start to bear. See? It's the same bean. Yes, when these are the beans, red beans, them start to bear now. So these are the other three will start to bear. And this one is cucumber. This one is cucumber, but it don't. You see a little one right there? Push out. Yes, see a
It's
little one
very
right
small.
there? Yes, very small, so it take a while. Yeah, man, these are corn. Them don't ready as yet, so you have to check them to know if them ready. You can look inside, it's very young. See, inside of it right here, this is young, so you know it don't ready as yet, see? So when we want to know when it ready, we pick it like this and see inside of it and know when it ready. Yeah, man. And you can see the sun is coming up now. Yeah, this is a gungo peace tree, but it's a very young one, so it don't start bear as yet. But maybe the ending of December, these young trees start to bear.
Anthony has another gungo peas tree up here, and that's way bigger, that one.
Yes. See? Start to bear. When you see it blooming like this, you know that peas is so common. But you know the problem is, me and this bird, what named the parrot, always have problem in the ear time to reap my peas. So me have to always run in them and just get some and them get some too. If I don't do that, them take away everything from me. Yes, man.
Show us your beautiful flowers and the hammock. What is this, by the way, here?
Oh, this flowers is a flowers what the bird them like to come. Like the hummingbird like to come right here and get water from it. So them call it hummingbird flowers. Yes.
Oh, check them out. They're very beautiful.
And And this one, I love my flower. Ah, nice. I love this one.
What is the name again?
This one, them call it, some place them call it Pretty Lala, and some place them call it Pretty Angel. So everywhere you go, them have it a different name. Yes. You see the red, the dark pink, and you see the white here. Look at it. Yes, man. The pipe pressure push out, so I'm going to fix it today very soon. And see a cat over there? See a cat there? A cat.
Yeah, man, I see it.
Yeah.
We're going behind Anthony's house now, and he has this very beautiful hammock around in the backyard
Yeah.
where you can just chill and
Chill
relax.
out and relax. And this is a banana. This is a banana. If I let it stay here longer, it's going to get ripe, start to ripe. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it down this morning and put it down, tie it up and let it ripe. So instead of I using machete to cut it, I can just break it off like this. But that's how we do it sometimes when we don't have a machete in our position at the same time. We just break it off and get it down.
Easy.
Yes. So quickly it starts to ripe maybe next 3 or 4 days time. Yeah man, see it? Yeah man, well full, so you can see that it is ready if it can start ripe. Yeah man, that's why I love to plant. But when you plant, harvest time always come. Food is always be there. Natural, fresh, nice, sweet food. Healthy. Yes man. This is ginger. And this one is curry, tambric. You see the difference with the leaf? This is the tambric what them use and make curry. And this is ginger. So I always plant this thing in my garden. But because what? I use the ginger and make juice and make tea same way. And I use the tambric to cook with, but keep you healthy. So I always do this type of thing in my garden. Have everything you can use. This is a Scotch bonnet pepper tree. You can see it have a dry one on it, but actually, see, when you see it dry like this, you just throw it in the garden and it seed grow back. But see another tree right here, have on Scotch bonnet, see it?
Oh yeah, check them out, guys.
Yes, very hot. They
Very
burned up Simon last night.
Yeah man, it was super
Yes.
spicy.
And this is something here, peanuts. These are peanuts. See?
Oh, wow.
Yeah man, I plant peanut here, peanut there, peanut there, peanut everywhere. Yeah man, so that's how I plant my stuff, them little around. You know? And we were talking about leaf of life. This is the leaf of life.
Oh yeah, you tell the leaf of life is very interesting.
Yeah man. This is a herb. What if you only take the leaf and you go 1 million miles away and you put it down, it grow. So them call it leaf of life. So if you have cold in your throat or in your head or anywhere and you chew this leaf, I could wash it off, but it no problem, it's clean. My yard is very clean. So you just chew it. When you chew it, you can taste it. Yeah, this cleanse you and it help build your immune system. So we always make tea from it, I will chew it, and we take care of ourselves with leaf of life.
Yes, and as
Yes.
far as I understood, in all these little edges here of the leaves, there are seeds inside. So you can basically plant the seed in the ground and you will have new plants coming out of it.
Always. And this is cucumber. See, start to run. So when it take the harbor, then it start to bear. Then I have cucumber to eat. Yes. These are the young coconut. It drop from the tree, come here, start to grow. And when it reach this age, either you make it stay there or you move it and put it where you want it. You can see this one start to grow same way. See this one start to peep out his eye. See, very small eye here, and see the root there. So if it stay like this, it stay same place there and grow and turn a big tree if you don't move it. But true, I don't want it here. I let them stay there for now, but I want to move them or I give friend them to plant. For people must plant. So when friend came here and them see me have coconut like this, I give them and them go back and plant so them have for them own self. So that's how I have my stuff at my place. So that's how everybody should have stuff too. Like to plant. But some Jamaican don't like to plant, but them like to reap. So me and them always have problem. When them come and ask me for something, I give them one to plant too. And say, plant for yourself. So when I don't have, I can come to you and get. But none of them don't like it. Yeah, man. This is a bougainvillea. No, this is not bougainvillea. This is Jan Discus. Yes, very nice plants. The flowers from it is very good for you too when it bloom. Very healthy. And this one, we call it dragon blood. See? That's why it's red. We call them dragon blood. And this one is the same Jan Discus. This one, but this is the big mother tree. So when it bloom flowers, I always look for it and take it off and eat it. And you can see we have just a little slug right there too. See? Yes. A little slug right here. Suck on the leaf. Yes. See?
Show it again. Yes.
Yes. Slug. See? Yes, man. And right here is where I do my outside cooking. Roast breadfruit, fried barracuda, and we make escabeche barracuda right here. Right?
And soon maybe we're gonna fry some breakfast
And
egg.
soon we're going to fry some egg here, and later on we fry some barracuda right here. So you
Nice.
will see a next barracuda movie when we fry barracuda very soon.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. This is my basement. But because why I make this basement here? Because I don't want if any hurricane is coming. For sometime every 10 year or 15 year we get a hurricane in Jamaica. So I prepare myself where I don't have to run to go to any police station or any churches or any member who I know have a stone house. I try to make a stone house for myself, but I make a basement for rescue. So if hurricane is coming, I take my motorbike and put everything inside and stay inside there and cook, eat, and relax till the hurricane is over. Then I come out. So that's why I make it like this.
Yeah, man. This
Yeah,
is
man.
where Anthony sleeps at night. And all my electronics are down here. I'm copying footage again, charging all my stuff. And yeah, I think now it's time for some breakfast, right, Anthony?
Yes, man. Now I'm going to look after some breakfast very soon now. I'm going to catch up the fire and prepare up. Yes.